Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of queued emails in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, let's talk about why your emails get queued. There might be some possible reasons for that. The first one is the unstable internet connection. Most of the time, emails get queued because your internet connection is lost or slow. The other reason might be that you mistakenly set the email as scheduled mail. Now, let's talk about how you can solve those issues of queued emails. Let's address the first reason of the issue, which is due to your internet connection. To solve the queued email because of your internet connection, it is very simple. You just simply have to check if your internet connection is working properly or not. And if your internet connection is working and the email still doesn't send, you should think about the second possibility. You may have mistakenly set the email to be scheduled. To check that, simply open your mail application and go to Scheduled. If you mistakenly sent that email to be scheduled, you will see it here. In order to solve that, simply open the email and then click on the Send button. It will send the email immediately. By following these very easy steps, you can easily solve the problem of queued emails in your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.